Welcome back. Today we're diving into the concept of parts per million, or PPM. You'll see PPM used in fields from chemistry to environmental science, and even in the food industry. But what does it mean and how can we understand? PPM stands for parts per million, which expresses the concentration of one substance within a million parts of a mixture. If you have one part of a substance in 1 million parts of a solution, you have a concentration of 1 ppm. Why use ppm instead of percentages? Well, when amounts get very small, percentages aren't precise enough. For example, instead of saying 0.0001%, we can just say 1 ppm, making it easier to visualize very tiny amounts. Let's bring ppm to life with some real examples. Example 1. ppm in time. Imagine a million seconds. That's about 11.5 days. 1 ppm of this would be just 1 second in those nearly 12 days. That's how tiny a concentration can be. Example 2. Drops in water. Consider a pool with 1 million drops of water. Add 1 drop of dye. That's a concentration of 1 ppm. Even though it's just a drop, ppm lets us measure it. Example 3. Air quality. When we talk about air pollution, scientists often use ppm. For example, carbon dioxide in the air is around 400 ppm, or 400 molecules per million molecules of air. ppm helps track pollution levels accurately. Example 4. Fluoride in water. Fluoride in drinking water is also measured in ppm. Typically, 0.7 ppm fluoride is added for dental health. So in a million drops of water, only 7 contain fluoride. Understanding ppm is essential in labs and industries. It's used in environmental testing, chemistry labs, and product safety to ensure safe or effective concentrations. For example, even small increases in pollutant ppm can signal potential risks. To sum up, ppm is a unit that describes tiny concentrations, helping us understand measurements too small for percentages. Whether in chemistry or the environment, ppm clarifies minute quantities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's breakdown of ppm. Let us know in the comments if there's another lab topic you'd like to see. See you next time.